In today's video we are talking about watering your lawn with a garden hose. So many people are using their spray nozzle, just attach it to the garden hose and they just go out and enjoy the nice weather and do something good while being outside, but at the end this actually is making it even worse than you think it is. Why? Because there are so many reasons why you shouldn't be doing it. First reason why you should not be doing it is because your soil cannot absorb that much water at the same time. This is too much water at one spot. Just take a bucket of water, like a 5-gallon bucket, and spill it and see what's happening. That water is going everywhere but where you want it to go, because your ground is not on the level, and the ground is so hard, the soil is so hard that it cannot take that water so fast. You need to gradually water your lawn, and that's why we have these impact sprinklers. They're designed to do that. And if you just grab your spray nozzle and do it by hand, you're not gonna water everything evenly, and you're not gonna give it as much water as it needs, and you're probably gonna use more water than you're supposed to. The impact sprinklers are designed to save you water while water the lawn in the most efficient way. Another reason why you shouldn't be doing this by hand is that you're gonna have to spend hours and hours and hours to do it. Why? Because most experts will tell you, and even if you look up the charts for your state, it will tell you that you need 1 to 1.5 inches of water per week on your lawn. If you do some simple measurements and some simple math, I'm not going to go into that, but the idea is to convert the footage of your lawn to square inches. Let's just say that you're trying to give your lawn 1 inch of water every week. In that case, you would multiply your square inches of your lawn, and this is actually not your whole lawn because you have buildings, you have driveways and all that. Take that out and multiply that by 1, and that way you will get your cubic inches of water. Just know this, that in 1 gallon of water there are 231 cubic inches of water. So if you grab a 5-gallon bucket and you go outside, open up your faucet, and then start your watch or your timer or your stopwatch on your phone, and then see how long it's going to fill out that bucket. In my case, it's 60 seconds. So in 1 minute, I get 5 gallons of water. That's my water flow. And then if you do some simple calculations, you divide your cubic inches by the cubic inches in your bucket, and then times 60 minutes per hour. And then you will notice, like in my case, my yard is 70 feet by 120 feet. And then if I'm to water only a half of that, I will have to do it by hand for almost 9 hours a week. So almost 9 hours a week. Every 2 or 3 days, I will have to spend 2 or 3 hours outside holding that spray nozzle to give it enough water, as much as it needs, and I'm not gonna do it in the most efficient way. I'm probably gonna just waste half of that water. I'm not saying you should have an irrigation system. You can also go to your home improvement store and get one of those impact sprinklers and just move it around. Or you can also connect few of them and move them around. You can get an irrigation system. You can pay someone to do it, and that's rather expensive. You can also watch my video here that I'm gonna put in description, how to do irrigation yourself. I did it for myself. It cost me around $1,000 for my small backyard, and I bet you can do it yourself too. If not, get a friend. If you have any questions, ask me. I will be more than happy to help you out to install the irrigation system yourself. But please stop watering the lawn by hand. It's not efficient. You're gonna waste so much time, you're gonna waste so much water, and at the end you might even not help your lawn. You wanted to help the lawn, but you're actually gonna make it probably even worse than it was before. If you like the video, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon.